everybody. My name is Monica, and this is Steve. We're the Hubbards, and this is our house, Recess. She's a '05 Bluebird.
All-American.
All-American.
It's got an 8.3 Cummins rear engine with an Allison transmission.
See, I don't know that kind of stuff.
Come on in, Steve.
Come on in. Oh, all right.
We had some captain's chairs made for our vehicle. They're leather with all the power options of heat and massage.
Oh my God, and the
all
massage works. It is awesome.
Okay, I'm officially jealous now.
Heat and massage, and this reclines.
Yeah.
This one, it's amazing.
We built an entertainment center here, and we made our own top here just recently with a picture of sunrise in Key West. We've got an electric fireplace with a heater.
And watch this, watch this. This is magic.
And then, I decided to bury our TV in the cabinet, and so it's on a power lift. It raises up. It's a 49-inch TV.
A Sony
TV.
Smart.
Yeah. Energy
Rated. Because
Right.
we got to worry about that now. That's all new stuff to us.
Yeah. We put a sofa sleeper in. It's an IKEA product that we're real happy with. It's an 88-inch typical couch.
So you go like that, and
Pull it out. Oh, baby.
There we go. Oh, I gotta get out of the way.
Yeah.
And then there's storage,
Storage underneath.
and it goes like that, and it's a queen size.
Yeah.
Because we have
Nice.
kids and stuff that want to come visit us in the Grand Canyon when we're working there, because that's what we're gonna do, is go around to the national parks and work camp. That's what we plan on.
We put IKEA kitchen cabinets in with quartz countertop.
Watch this. Oh, lights.
Lights in the
So,
cabinets.
very cool. We gotta find little locks
Yeah.
to keep them closed, because when we came down, they were falling open every time we turned left. Every time we turned
'cause we have
left.
drawers on the one side, and so every time we turn left. Got a propane stove and oven, 4-burner, and this is a 15.5 cubic foot all electric refrigerator that our solar handles.
The locks.
We put a Max fan in. A lot of people are familiar with those. They go backwards and forwards as far as moving the air.
The lights were also Amazon, or
Negative plastic stuff.
was it
The
Amazon?
lights?
Yeah.
No, we put lights in on this header panel. Cover our wires. We still had all the original bus wires back here.
PVC,
Yeah. So this is a PVC material.
easy to clean.
Yeah.
IKEA blinds blackout, so you can't see in, but they're still white.
And we took our emergency windows, 3 on each
yeah.
side, and I swapped them from side to side and made them so they opened up on each side across the kitchen for some good airflow.
Very
Across
good
here.
airflow. It's amazing. Yeah,
Right.
love that. Here, you go that way.
We went back into the bathroom area. We're in progress of doing our showers. A 34-inch typical house shower pan. We're going to tile it, and we're going to put a shower loop system, 2-gallon shower loop system, where it actually pumps the water back through the same system, reheats it, and refilters the water, and you can take the longest 2-gallon water shower as long as you want. It's awesome.
Cool.
Wait for the kit to come out for that. We built our bathroom where we've got a vessel sink on a piece of granite, and we've got a Nature's Head compost toilet.
Love it.
We've got our washer and dryer.
Now, is this set up for an outdoor shower?
That is an outdoor shower. Yeah, I just got to do the plumbing to it. Yeah. Got a washer and dryer to utilize. This is a humbless solar generator with inverter, lithium batteries, all contained in this one box. It's a 1500 watt capacity. We've got 2 300 watt fixed panels for the roof and 3 100 watt portable suitcase panels for it. So we've got a little over 900 watts of solar coming in. Then we put a instant EcoTemp hot water heater ends, propane. So I like the stain or the smoke glass on it, so I decided I'm going to build it into the wall. So kind of did that. We bought some IKEA closet drawers out of an ensemble from IKEA, and I basically kind of made them fit and built my own little dressers. So we got a closet on each side that's cedar lined, and we'll put a closet rod in and whatnot. Then in the back here, we're preparing for a king size bed. I've got a 100-gallon fresh water tank underneath there, and we're going to put a king size bed in here once I get all that finished.
Water softener.
Got a water softener underneath there as well. We're going to remove one of the original AC units that came in the bus, and we're going to put a mini spit on the back wall there. And we hope to be putting a deck on the top eventually. It's somewhere down on my list to do that, and once we get there. So it's been a work in progress, 14 months now. It's been quite a task, but rather enjoyed it and still enjoying it. And it's a lot of work, but a lot of reward. So we're really enjoying it. This is our very first show of showing our bus anywhere since we've taken it from home. So we're going to put this vinyl plank material down on our floor. That's another thing that'll be there for the tiny house show coming up in March in Georgia. We'll be there in 2 weeks and to show it off.
And if people want to get a hold of you on social media?
Yeah, we're on Instagram on GypsySouls_143, and also we're Full-Time Schoolies on Facebook.
Okay.
So we're really excited. We've hit over 500 followers, and just amazed that there's 500 people out there following us.
I know that feeling.
It's kind of exciting and whatnot, and it's coming to the show has been great. Everybody we've met here is just fantastic. It's a great community of people. It really is. Yep. It's so we're just now really getting into it and stepping into it, and it's great.
Thank
really
you.
Love it. Thank you.
Like the bus.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great schoolie, and in the coming weeks there'll be more. So please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another schoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.